Hello teachers, today we're going to talk about inserting rows into an established Google spreadsheet. First, you're going to click the box that you'd prefer the row to be above or below. In this case, we're going to be using Special Area 3rd Grade Distance Learning Template, and I clicked on the box PE. I'm going to go up to the top and click Insert, Row Below, and I'm going to do that twice because I'd like to have several rows below. Now, in order to keep the spreadsheet looking clean, I'm going to highlight PE in the 2 rows under it, and I'm going to click the Merge Cells icon in order for it to merge the cells and the rows look consistent with the format. I'm going to do exactly the same thing for Art and Music. I'm going to click Insert, Row Below, Insert, Row Below. I'm going to highlight those 2 cells, click Merge Cells, and then I'm going to make sure that I can see the rows that I just added because in this case there are no lines, and I'm going to do that by clicking the box named Borders and clicking the All Borders option. And there you have it. We have added rows to a spreadsheet. Enjoy!